All right, we've got further downward pressure in the price of natural gas as it largely trades near the lows, I should say, of yesterday's range. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by NatGas, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So natural gas continues to look like it's going to test this lower support zone around this anchored VWAP line of 296, 297 or so, and this long-term rising trend line that starts from these lows back here in 2024. This anchored VWAP line was tested successfully as support back here in April, back here in October 24, and it begins from the trend low. So that's a significant level combined with another significant level represented by the trend line, gives the trend line a lot more potential weight because the anchored VWAP level is there. And actually the anchored VWAP is more significant than the trend line potentially. But since they're together, that's a solid potential resistance zone. It looks like natural gas is going to go down to there before it's done. If it does that and then does a bullish reversal, it'll have a higher swing low relative to this swing low. But if it does not and breaks through, then it may be heading to the 78.6% retracement zone of two swings and this previous swing low here from 287 down to around 279 or so. If that does happen, it will depend on what happens next. Will give us either there's a quick rally and recovery back above the lines, or bearish pressure is retained. Alternatively, in the short term anyway, a rally above today's high of 317 could see a bounce back into resistance around this trend line, around the 20 moving average, currently at 340, 341 or so. Nevertheless, this lower target remains unless time goes by and the trend line is close to price before price goes lower. All right, that is it for natural gas traders. Have a great Friday.